Hi, so today we're going to be solving a trinomial and turning it back to its factored form. So here you can see our trinomial, x squared minus 3x minus 40. And you can see I have a little ABC underneath of it. This trinomial is kind of like when you're using a graph and you use the standard form ax plus by plus c. This is c, this is b, and this is a. So the goal here with just this number is to get it back to its original form, that being something like that. So what we're going to do is we need to find two numbers that you can multiply together to get negative 40, but you can also add together to get negative 3. These must be the same two numbers when being multiplied and added. To find factor of b, you need to find factor of c first. So step one is to figure this, is to just understand what you're dealing with here. Now you go to step two. Here we have the factors of negative 40. So I have all the negatives on this side of the equation. However, you can switch it to this side of the equation if needed or if wanted. You'll get a completely different answer that way when adding them together. So here we have 1 times negative 40, 2 times negative 20, 4 times negative 10, and 5 times negative 8. The sums of these when adding equivalent to negative 39, 18, negative 6, and 3. We are looking for negative 3. That means we've found our answer. That means our answer is 5 times negative 8. That is the equation we need to use when both multiplying and adding the two terms here, b and c. So now that we know these two numbers, we can put them back into the factored form, that being x plus 5 and x minus 8. How did I just do that? Well, I took the first number in the equation and the second number in the equation and plugged them in one after the other. And I added x because x squared, is just like saying 2 x's. So we have 2 x's that we needed to put into separate equations, like that. So that is your answer. However, you need a therefore statement, and you also probably want to check your answer to make sure that your answer is correct. A simple way, an effective way to do that is by using the FOIL method. Using the FOIL method is pretty simple. You do x times x and then x times negative 8. That leaving you with the answer of x squared minus 8x. You're only done half the equation though. You need to do 5 times x and 5 times negative 8. That leaving you with positive 5x and negative 40. Therefore, your final equation being 2x minus 3x minus 40, which is the same as you had up here to start with. That means your answer is correct. Therefore, the factored term for x squared minus 3x minus 40 is brackets x plus 5 brackets x minus 8.